Hello guys, hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to discuss about a new update on Candle Smart Trend. Basically, we are today discussing about what is a gap and how the gap is filling, or what is the order block is happening, or different type of order blocks. It's a little bit a liquid like a price action type of trading system what we are discussing, because our trend candles also doesn't depend on any indicator. It will only depend on the price what we are price movements and relate to price. So that's why we're adding this new price action points in our trading system or trading indicator. Yeah, what is happening here basically, let's say here we are able to see an uptrend, right? See what is happens in an uptrend. An uptrend happens when there are less number of buyers and more number of sellers are playing on the stock, particular stock or commodity or a cryptocurrency. So at this time, these are the candles where those see, if buyers are very less and sellers are very high, these are the places where this red cross is happening. These are the places where the bearish people are getting left out, the bearish orders, or who selling orders. Here bulls are high means buying orders are very less, selling orders are very high. So here the left out selling orders are pending orders are staying here, or limit orders, whatever you say. So basically here we are identifying those points, and this what you'll say, this bear symbol will represent is the explains this recent bearish order block like are filled here. See, this is the bearish order block, and this order block got filled. Order block is nothing but a liquidity, or bearish pending orders are filled here. It may continue and filling all these things, there is a chance, but the problem is we don't feel these will trigger, because some of the orders may, like, they will remove those orders, right? But these last 2 3 orders may be pending till this candle, right? We are seeing a 30-minute candle. If you go a little bit lower time frame, you can see more patterns on this. So it will be still, if you are some long term investor or day trader, someone like a, what I'll say, weekly trader, they can also observe these things. Basically these are the blocks, order blocks, what we are observing. See here an order block formed, and this order block filled, and the trend continues to filling these orders. These selling orders which are pending here, these filled here. Basically we are only observing the recent filled because this is most prominent, and after this, if trend continues, that is the high probability it will go fill at least 2 to 3 order blocks. Similar, see here it went, this is in a sideways market, so here order blocks will not matter because it will fill every time. But if you see here, a huge order block form, buying order blocks. Buying order blocks means, see here, in a downtrend what is happening, most less sell orders and high more buying orders. These are the where the buying orders more, the excess buying orders are left it, or they are blocked or stayed. And this is the where the first recent buying order block got filled in this candle. So if this continues, trend continues, we can go and trade that. See here it is not in a proper trend, but it filled these are all orders. If you see, these all orders are got filled by these candles, but we are in our gap filling, we are only seeing the recent one. But here if you observe here, these are all filled. These 3 4 buying order blocks got filled in this area. See, that is the beauty of this. See, it will be very useful in day trading. See here some order blocks filled by a shortage of buying orders are happened, selling buying orders happened, and these selling orders got blocked, and they are filled here. And at the same time there are forming some buying order blocks, means shortage of sellers is happening, so buying orders are got left out, and they got filled once again in uptrend. Simple to understand, right? So the same way you can see I'm showing in nifty 30 minutes, we can go like for 5 minutes 10 minutes, we can observe same trends. Basically for some confirmation where the orders are happening, something like that. See here, see so much selling order blocks form, and after that it got, see this is, there is a proper reversal happened, and it didn't confirm, but still it felt like lost 4 5 order blocks, right? So that is the thing what we are observing, but still you can trade everywhere this one if you for some confirmation type of trades. My experience is, see, after the order block for filled, after that if you have got trend confirmations or reversal confirmations is happening, you can go and trade basically for 1:1. If you can trade this at least till here, yeah, let's see how much it will give. If order block filled and here some buying or buying blocks, what is say, buying orders are got left out, and this trend continues, it will go till like 1:1 easily. We can make like previous candles high, since it's gap up previous candles high or gap down previous candles low. See, 1:1.09 we can make easily without hesitation. It's why I'm showing in 5 seconds. Sorry, it's very like scalping. So let's go for 15 minutes. And 15 minutes, see here a nice order blocks got, and they got reversal, and after reversal only you can trade. If some order blocks are left out, you can trade. You don't want to wait for the reverse and see what is happening for a green candle too. But if it's like green candle, it will be more convenient. It is like 1.1:2 you can make a simple thing. 15 minutes, see here it high push happen, and after that a bearish candle formed and it got reversed. We are taking a short trade here, like from here we'll take red candle, right? We'll make this, um, see, 1 second, we can make good money here too. Previous 2 candles or 3 candles loyal put, see you can make 1:1.2 easily. 1:1 is guarantee in our trading system. We can, if it is like a proper setup, that's why I said sell for 50 quantity and wait for hitting stop loss or going above, so it will be easy. So in this way you can analyze these charts. See here also a huge order blocks got blocked, and after that downtrend formed, and it got, these all order blocks are got filled and came down. Basically you observe this, basically you will get to know what is happening exactly. Yeah, hope you understand what I'm selling, and if you have any doubts, please ping me, and happy trading.